Day 14 on the carnivore diet. And today I figured it'd be a good opportunity to kind of show you guys how I prepare my steaks. This is actually the first time I'm going to be preparing this specific cut of steak. I got some great T-bones on sale at the store, so pretty excited to cook these bad boys up. So let's get into this. I've got what you're going to need: butter, salt, and pepper. Pretty simple. You're going to need some grill tongs, and that's really all that you need. All right, so I am seriously just going to pop open the salt, make sure we get a good coating. The salt, a lot of people demonize it, but it's actually a really good electrolyte that your body needs. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to salt both sides of the steak, and I'm going to pepper both sides of the steak. Use what you like. You know, obviously you're just flavoring to taste, you know, but and both of these portions, they're going to give me, this is 2 days worth of food. That's ready to go on the grill. It's really that easy. And the way that I like to do it to make sure that my steak is nice and juicy is I'm actually going to cut up some butter. And I'm literally just going to cut up, like, I don't know, 1/4 inch slices of butter. And that's going to give me everything that I need to make sure that my steaks are nice and juicy. I'm going to put that on the steaks while they're grilling. So here we go. I preheated the grill while I was preparing the steaks to make it just a little bit quicker. I've got it on low heat. There we go. Once you got them on the grill, you're going to take 1 dollop of butter. That's probably not what actually constitutes a dollop. All the chefs out there could probably tell me what a dollop actually is. You got to be careful with the butter, because what happens is as it melts, you know, all the grease from that, all the fat, it'll light this grill up. So you got to really watch it. But that's it. Now I've only had this meat on the grill for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm going to flip it already. But before I do that, I'm going to transfer the butter for each and every one of these steaks. I'm liking the cut of these T-bones. They're looking pretty good. But seriously, guys, the one thing that you don't want to do is overcook your meat. So it's important that you only keep it on for a little bit. You want to keep it a little bit red in the middle. I promise you, even if, like, I didn't like that when I first started this carnivore diet, but especially when you're doing meal prep like I am, like this is 2 days worth of food. And I'll tell you, it's not fun when it's dried out and it's, you know, it just, when the beef is rough, it kind of sucks, guys. So, you know, we're not going to keep it on there too long. All right. So now I've only had them on there for a couple minutes, and I'm already going to take some of these off, especially the ones that are on the hot spots on the grill, right there at the center. Make sure those suckers are off. Actually, just about all of these are almost done. This one might be a little bit That looks pretty good too. Literally, guys, start to finish, like 15 minutes to get all those steaks cooked. So there it is, guys. 2 days worth of meals. Yeah, so here's the finished product. You know, it's a little more cooked, not quite as red in the middle as I prefer, you know, but everybody's a little bit different. You know, with the added butter and the fat in the steak, this should be more than enough. Cool thing about these is the bone in, I'm going to be able to make good broth out of that. You know, boil those bones down and get every last use out of these. So, yeah, bon appetit, guys. Yeah, really good. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.